Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use Indigo antidetect browser with YiLuProxy. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Local port, right-click an IP and click Connect or directly double-click an IP. You can see local proxy port and format-ion on the top left. The green point means the proxy IP connects successfully. Multi-port forward, right-click an IP and select a proxy port.
For dynamic IP, select residential or data center IP.
Select a country, state, and city.
Select the format of copying IP information and
the number of refreshing IPs.
Then click Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port. You can check multi-port forwarding information on the port forward list. Then run Indigo software. Create a new browser profile. Enter a profile name. Select a operating system and browser. Then set proxy. Choose SOX5 proxy.
Enter host IP address 127.0.0.1 and port 1080.
Then EC proxy.
The IP is that one forward to local port 1080 in YiLuProxy.
Change the port to 5500.
the IP is that one forward to port 5500.
Change the port to 5501. The IP is that one forward to port 5501.
For YiLuProxy dynamic IPs, you can also right-click an IP and copy IP information.
Then paste IP address, port, username, and password.
Check the proxy.
The IP is also a Canadian IP. YiLuProxy dynamic IPs also support HTTP protocol. SOCKS5 is more stable than HTTP.
Then click Create Profile. Click Start to run the browser profile. The browser will automatically enter a web page. Here you can see the proxy IP address. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.